Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Feeling frustrated by your PS5 controller acting strangely, with characters moving on their own? You're experiencing joystick drift, a super common problem that many players face. It's truly annoying when your game gets interrupted by phantom movements or a camera spinning out of control. But don't worry, we're here to help you get your controller back in shape. Let's dive into some effective fixes you can try right now, making your gameplay smooth again. Before grabbing any tools, let's start with the basics, your console's software. First, give your PlayStation 5 a full restart, not just rest mode. Then, double-check that your DualSense controller has the very latest firmware installed, as updates often include bug fixes. You can also try resetting your controller by pressing the small button on the back. These simple steps can surprisingly fix many minor drift problems, saving you time and effort. Now, let's move on to some quick external cleaning. Dust, tiny crumbs, or other debris frequently sneak under the joystick, leading to drift. Grab a can of compressed air and carefully give the base of the joystick a few short bursts from all angles. Then, take a cotton swab, dampen it very slightly with rubbing alcohol, and gently clean around the edges of the stick. This can dislodge stubborn gunk, often making a big difference. If the drift persists, it might be time for a more advanced fix, opening your controller. This step requires a bit more care, so proceed cautiously. You can apply specialized electronic contact cleaner directly to the joystick's internal sensor mechanisms once you've opened it up. For severe, unfixable drift, replacing the entire joystick module is an option. New and improved modules are readily available, making this a viable long-term solution. Sometimes, despite all your efforts, joystick drift is simply too persistent, and a new controller becomes the best option. When buying a replacement, consider models featuring Hall effect joysticks. These use magnets instead of traditional friction, offering significantly better longevity and less chance of future drift. To prevent issues, keep your controller clean, store it away from dust, and avoid accidental drops. A little care goes a long way in keeping your gear working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.